You can sit. Okay, I'm going to push another one in. Push, push. Oh, I knocked one over. How's that look?
No.
Not another one?
No.
There's a curved one. That's the curved one. Here's a straight one. Straight. I'm going to put it in here. Oh, you can put it in the crack. Put it in the crack.
Ding dong.
You have
Ding
an
dong.
audience.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Are you building with some nails and wood?
You want to sit up there like Grandpa. He wants to sit up there like you.
Yeah.
Up, up.
No.
I thought you wanted to sit up there.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
That's right, he can get up here himself.
There you can sit. There. Sophie, don't you push that. Oh, Sophie. There. Oh, there you got it. There you go. You're sitting up like a big boat.
Nama.
I'm playing with the nails.
Yeah.
I'm building something with the nails.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm pushing it in. I'm gonna push it in.
Sit.
Sit. Grandpa's sitting.
Some.
Sophie's sitting too. Sam is sitting.
Nama.
Nama's right here.
Nama. Nama.
Where's Dappa? Can you say Dappa?
Comes the pushy
there goes
dog.
Sophie.
Pushy dog. Pushy dog. Pushy dog.
Look, here's the nails. Here's Sophie. Oh my gosh, Sophie. We got Sophie's face right here.
Sophie. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. You knocked my nails down. I have to put them back. There's one. Oh, there's two. That one went in well. That's two. That's three. Is there green in there? I see green paint on the end. And there. There's some green paint.
Hi there.
Oh, Grandpa's playing peekaboo.
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 Oh no. Now where's Sam gone? Sam's hiding. Oh, there he is. Now he's hiding.
Where is he?
Oh, gone. Sam is... Should we get this out of the way so you can come down? Hi. Sophie. Soup. What did you find over there? Piece of dirt?
Yeah.
Is it glue? Gooey? Is it wet?
Yeah.
No? Sticky?
Oh.
Are you going to come?
Yeah.
That's hard to go over that lump, isn't it? That bump. Good job. Are you ready? You need a hand there. You did it by yourself. Another nail. Okay. Oh, that's good. Yeah. See, you're making a little hole. That's good. Yeah. You almost got it. Almost. Are you in the window?